This is a report card comments generator for International Baccalaureate PYP students. First of all, you can set name lists in here. For example, I will add Adil here and select gender in here. These name lists come out in here. And select Adil, then move to subject comments sheet. You can click here or select sheet the bottom tab. This is math and language comments list. You just click checkbox on the left side. Selected comments come out comments sheet in here. If you deselect checkbox, these comments are deleted in the comments sheet. There are also science, social, arts and PSPE and same system. If you want to change student's name, click go to name list and select other name. You can copy and paste on Word doc from these comment area.